Okay, so the human life cycle. So let's look at that, and then we'll look at the cell cycle. All right, so the human life cycle starts with, I'm sure you know, a sperm, and an egg. And these little guys are called gametes. And they each carry half of the genetic material, because egg carries the stuff from mom and sperm carries the genes from dad. And then we fall in love, we come together, and we create a zygote. The zygote, of course, is 46 because those two come together and the 20 and the chromosomes are together now. So we have 23 from each, so 46. So the gametes are what we call 1N or haploid, meaning they have half the genetic material. The zygote is going to be 2N or diploid. So the zygote now goes through a bunch of dividing or mitosis, and we end up with an organism. All right, so we end up with this organism. The organism makes his own gametes through something called meiosis. And the whole process starts again. So in the nucleus of a cell, that's where we have the DNA. And it's in the form of something called chromatin. So if we look at chromosomes, so chromosome anatomy. Each chromosome has two copies of 23 pairs of the genes, okay? One copy is from mom and one copy is from dad. So we have one from dad and one from mom. They should look alike, okay? And every chromosome has a pair. Again, one from mom, one from dad. Okay? So during interphase, of a cell, so there's a phase where replication occurs. And when that happens, these chromosomes make sister chromatids. So then they look like this. It's really hard for me to make this here. Sorry, I'm not very arty. Okay, there's one. And there's the other one. So all of the chromosomes look like this, where they have two sister chromatids. So this is a sister chromatid, this is a sister chromatid. Okay, so when we talk about the cell cycle, when we get to mitosis, this is what happens. We've got replication occurring in interphase, and then this, which gives two copies of the chromatin. And remember, the chromatin look like this. So here's Dad's copy, and then here's Mom's copy. So then in prophase, this looks like that now. All that stuff condenses, and we've already replicated because we're in prophase now, so we're in mitosis and we're dividing. So that chromatid condenses and it looks like these guys here. Okay. So the next video will talk about the phases of